Picture this. You're traveling internationally, and after a long flight, you turn on your phone, and you're instantly connected. Welcome to the world of eSIMs, the simpler way to stay connected wherever you travel. Forget about swapping SIM cards, expensive roaming fees, or trying to find Wi-Fi. Just download our app, select your destination, install your eSIM before you travel, activate it once you arrive. And just like that, you're connected to local networks. But why choose KnowRoaming? We'll keep you connected in over 200 destinations. Choose from global and regional plans for your multi-country trips. You can also choose from fixed or unlimited data depending on your needs. Arrive, connect, and stay in touch effortlessly. Your eSIM finds the best local network as soon as you land. And if you need help, our 24/7 support is here for you. Say goodbye to roaming fees and swapping SIM cards. With an eSIM, everything's digital and you're ready before your trip even starts. And if you're running low on data, topping up is quick and easy. Land connected with KnowRoaming. Get your eSIM today by going to knowroaming.com or download the app.